Welcome to Frequency Online Math. So today we'll be solving this question. So it's from Poission distribution. So the question reads, it is known from experience that the average number of live mosquitoes per square is 0.7. The average number, which is the mean, is 0.7. Then if it follows Poisson distribution, calculate the probability that a random selected square will contain I, no live mosquito, II, 1 or 2 mosquito, III, more than 2 live mosquitoes. So the formula, write our solution and write the formula. So P of x is equals to x is equals to what? Lambda to the power of what? X, then times exponential minus what? Lambda all over x what? Factorial. So we'll be having the question I. What is our lambda? Lambda is the mean. This is the average, which is 0.7, right? So we'll be having question I. No live mosquito. So P of what? X is equals to our x is what? 0. So no live mosquito. So what will it be? For us to have no live mosquito, so we are going to have 0.7 to the power of what? Our x is 0, right? Then exponential minus lambda, which is 0.7 all over x, which is 0 factorial. So we have, let's punch it with our calculator. So this is the value we are going to get. This to the power of 0 is 1. Then exponential minus this, you get this in your calculator. So our II is 1 or 2 mosquitoes. So P of x is equals to 1 or P of x is equals to 2. So we'll be having what? Our lambda, which is 0.7, right? To the power of what? 1. Then times exponential negative. Our lambda is what? 0.7, right? 0.7 all over. Our x is what? 1 factorial. So let's punch it in our calculator and see what we get. So this is the value we get. Remember, we have or here, so we have plus. We repeat the same thing here. I have 0.7, but this time our x will now be what? 2. Exponential minus 0.7 all over 2 factorial. So let's punch it in our calculator. So when you add, then you get 0.4693. So we go to I. We have more than 2 live mosquitoes. So P of x is equals to more than 2, which is what? 3. And P of x can be 4, can be 5. So we don't know where it will end. So remember, from probability, if you want to find probability of P plus Q is equals to 1, then probability of P is equals to 1 minus what? Q. So we are going to use this format here. So we are going to have 1 minus those that we don't do what? No. Sorry, 1 minus those we know will give us those we don't know. Probability of success is equals to what? P. Then 1 minus probability of failure will give us what? Probability of success. So 1 minus those we don't know will give us the one we are looking for. All these values now, x is equals to 3, and because we don't know where it ends. So we're going to have 1 minus. Since we are getting this 1 minus probability of x is equals to 0 plus x is equals to 1 plus x, okay, is equals to 2. So we are going to stop at 2 because they told us more than 2 live mosquito. So these are the ones that we don't need, right? So we are going to use 1 minus the one we don't need to get the one we need. So it will be 1 minus the ability of x is equal to 0 is 0.4966 plus when it is 1 it gives us 0.3476. When it is 2 it gives us 0.1217. So when we do 1 minus this value, let's add it up.
So when we have added it up, our final answer is was 0.0341. So that's all about Poission distribution. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.